About 22 million Americans over the age of 40 are affected by cataracts. So we're here to show you a delicious way to start improving your eye health by showing you how to make a lutein zeaxanthin smoothie. For vitamin C, you will need 6 strawberries, 1 peeled kiwi, and 1 peeled orange without its seeds. Then for vitamin E, pour in half a cup of almond milk. Next, add 2 handfuls of baby spinach for that lutein and zeaxanthin. Now add 8 cubes of ice to puree for a nicer consistency. And finally, add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil to help absorb the lutein and zeaxanthin. And that's it. Cheers to healthy eyes.